Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is environmental pollution. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the air pollution. What happened dear children, in the previous lecture we have learned about the air pollution. Which are the causes of the air pollution? Then causes of the air pollution is industry, vehicle, and the deforestation is the causes of the air pollution. Now, which are the effect of the air pollution, dear children? Also, we have to learn in the previous lecture that air pollution causes the various diseases, and these diseases are asthma, lung infection, breathing problem, cough, cold, sneeze, etc. These all are the effects of the air pollution causes the various diseases. After air pollution has increased the atmospheric temperature. Now, also we have learned that how we have to reduce the air pollution. Then, how we have to reduce the air pollution? Because in the campaigns for the awareness of the environment should be conducted into the industrial area. Also, use of the pollution-free fuels such as CNG, LPG should be increased. After vehicles should be regularly certified with the pollution under control of PUC certificate. All these things, dear children, we have to learn in the previous lecture about the air pollution. Dear children, today we have to learn about the land pollution. Today we have to learn about the land pollution. So dear children, you have to open the page number 9 from your textbook. Land pollution is not something that is easily visible, but in this developing world, land pollution has become evidence on the large scale. What happened, dear children? We can say that the land pollution is not something that is easily visible, but in this developing world, we can say that the land pollution has become evidence on the large scale. Growing industry and the polluted water from the drain flow on the ground and slowly pollute the lands. Whatever that dear children, we can say that whatever the growing industry is there, this growing industry and the polluted water from the drain flow on the ground and slowly they pollute the lands. That's why we can say that whatever the growing of the industry and the polluted water from the drains flow on the ground and slowly pollute the land, and because of that we can say that the land pollution was increasing. The people who run the industry, now what happens that dear children, we can say that the people who run the industry and factory always try to acquire more land than what they require. Underlining dear children, this is the most important. What happens? The people who run the industry and factory always try to acquire the more land for whatever the requirement is there, and according to them they acquire more land for the future development. When industry occupy the agricultural land, dear children, we remember what they have given there. They have to given there. When any industry occupy the agricultural land, it surely pollute it as the industrial dump solid waste on it. What happens, dear children? We can say that whenever any industry can occupy, which land, dear children? Remember that here agricultural land was occupied by the industry. Otherwise, what happened that industry has to occupy the barren land. This is the good one. But now, what happened that presently industry occupy the agricultural land, and because of that, it surely pollute it as an industrial dump solid waste on that land, and it surely pollute it as the industrial dump solid waste on the land. Nowadays, now dear children, what happened that in the present day, we can say that polythene, it means the plastic is used on the large scale. Dear children, you know very well that in the present day, the plastic is used on the large scale, and the plastic is a non-degradable substance. Underlining which kind of the substance is that plastic? then plastic is a non-degradable substance that pollute the land. The urban waste, what happens then, dear children? We can say that the urban waste like plastic, scrap, chemical dump on the land get dispersed over the farm land by winds and the pollution of the landscape. What happens then, dear children? We can say that in the urban waste, plastic is there, scrap, chemical dump on the land can disperse over the farm land by the winds, and because of that they pollute the land area. Farmer use the chemical fertilizer extensively to increase the production. What happens, dear children? We know very well that the present day the farmer using a more pesticide as well as the chemical fertilizer, and this is the harmful for the land. But why the farmer are using more chemical fertilizer and pesticide? Because they have to increase the production from the land, and it also plays the major role in polluting the land and the water. So dear children, remember that the farmer use the chemical fertilizer extensively to increase their production, and it also play a major role in polluting the land and water. Polluted water from the industry. Now what happens, dear children? We can say that the polluted water from the industry and drainage is used in the irrigation of fertile lands. Now what happens? Whatever the polluted water is there from the industry and the drainage, now these polluted water used by the farmer in the irrigation for the fertile land, and because of that resulting in the polluted production of the grains and vegetables. What happened there? Why the polluted producing grains and vegetables? Because farmer using the polluted water in their agricultural lands. Cultivation on such a land, it result into the tuberculosis and bone disease. Now what happened there, dear children? Because of the land pollution, the people are suffering from the TB, tuberculosis, as well as the bone disease. Remember and underline it. Exhausted or shrinking fertile land lead to the risk of scarcity of the crop. Now what happened there? How the risk of the scarcity of the crop? Because exhausted or shrinking fertile land lead the risk of the scarcity of the crop. Plastic, solid waste, material from the industry and pollute the water, destroy the microorganism which make the land fertile. Dear children, you know very well that, underline it, that microorganism make a land fertile. But nowadays, what happened that this microorganism was destroyed? How the microorganism was destroyed? Because of the use of plastic, solid waste material in the industry and the polluted water can destroy the microorganism which make a land fertile. So dear children, what happens there? Plastic, solid waste material from the industry and the polluted water destroy the microorganism which make our land is a fertile. Eventually, land become barren due to the destruction of the microorganism. What happened that? Why the land become barren? Barren it means banjar. Because land become barren due to the destruction of the microorganisms. Land pollution can be controlled. What happened that, dear children? We can say that we can also control the land pollution. We should use plastic and necessary chemical judiciously. What happened that? They have to say that no doubt in day-to-day life we have a requirement of use of plastic and the chemical, but we have to use in the proper way and we have to use these things in a judicious way. No industry should be set up on the arable lands. What happened then, dear children? They have to given that whatever the things are there, we have to use all these things into the proper way. And no industry should be set up into the arable land. We should conserve the environment. What happened in DH? This is the responsibility that we have should conserve the environment. We have to take care about our environment. use of organic and traditional manure instead of chemical fertilizer and the advisable. What happened that in the farming, farmer are use the organic as well as the traditional manure instead of pesticide and the chemical fertilizer. This is the advisable one. Pesticides should be used in minimum possible portion. If the farmer are using them pesticide, no problem. But the farmer are using this pesticide in the minimum way, and they have to use and done agriculture by the organic way. What happens then actually? That's why they have given that pesticide should be used in the minimum possible portion. And the plastic and the solid waste should be the recycled. What happens then dear children? We can say that the plastic as well as the solid waste should be the recycled one. Use of non-conventional source of energy in green technology. It means we have to think about the alternative source of energy. It means nowadays we are using the non-conventional source of energy. The green technology would be the introducer. Drip irrigation save the water and prevent the land degradation. What happened that dear children? We can say that the drip irrigation save the water and prevent the land degradation. So dear children, today we have to learn about the land pollution. If you to see the which are the causes of the land pollution, then dear children you have to remember that industrialization and the urbanization is the main causes of the land pollution. Now which are the effect of the land pollution? If you have to see the effect of the land pollution, then we can say that the consumption of such crop lead a TB as well as the bone diseases. After, due to the land pollution, the areas of the fertile land is decreasing and the scarcity of crop is becoming the big problem. Now, how we have to control the land pollution? Then, what happens that the plastic waste or solid waste should be either recycled or properly decomposed. Use of plastic and chemicals should be the minimized. Industry should not be allowed to set up into the agriculture land. This all are the way from which we can control the land pollution. Thank you, dear children.